Today we are going to be making a tomato chutney, and not one with chili like you find online, a really nice, flavourful, aromatic one. It's going to be amazing. Stick around, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Welcome to another episode of Paulie's Kitchen. My name's Paulie and this is my kitchen. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a tomato chutney, and one that hasn't got chili in it, really flavourful, really aromatic, and it's absolutely amazing for a cheese board and works really well for a relish for your burgers as well. So guys, if this is your first time here, do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. But on a serious note, if this is your first time here or you haven't liked, comment or subscribed, please do. I'll be really grateful. Cheers. So all the ingredients you will need for this recipe are right here. Don't worry if you miss these ingredients, I do put these in the info box below, so do check out down there and you'll be able to get them all down there. As well as those ingredients, we are going to be using some oil as well. But we're going to dive straight in and I'm going to show you exactly how to make this. So the first thing we need is we need to take our onion and our sharp knife, and we're going to cut straight down the middle, just like that. We're going to chop off the ends. We're going to peel them. We're going to slice them. And then we're going to chop them up fine. So we're going to take a glass bowl, pop that there, and put all of our onions into our bowl. So now that our onions are done, we're going to take our tomatoes, going to give these a bit of a juggle, and pop these there. And all we're going to do is we're going to cut it straight down the middle. We're going to take out the core, and then we're going to chop this up. So now that all of our ingredients are prepped, we're just going to take our oil and we're just going to pour a little bit into our saucepan. So the next thing we need to do is we need to grab our lighter and we're just going to light our stove under our saucepan. We're going to let that heat up, and once it's hot we're going to take our onions and we're just going to pop our onions into our saucepan like that. We're going to take our spatula and we're just going to stir our onions over a low heat until they turn translucent, or in other words, they look like this. Once they do, we're going to take our tomatoes and we're going to pour these into our saucepan, just like that, juice and all. We're going to turn up the heat and give that a nice stir as well. Yeah, lovely. We're going to take a generous pinch of salt, pop that in there like that. We're going to take our red wine vinegar. We're going to take our unrefined caster sugar and our raisins as well. We're going to carefully combine all these ingredients in the saucepan. And we're going to take our lid and pop that on there. And we're going to let that simmer away for about an hour to an hour and a quarter. So we're going to keep cooking our tomato chutney until it looks like this. And as you can see, it looks absolutely incredible. So now that it looks like this, we're going to turn off the heat. We're going to take our thyme, and I've already picked the leaves from here. So we're just going to sprinkle these in like that. So we're going to take our lemon and our microplane, and we are just going to zest the lemon into our chutney. And what this will do is it will give it a lovely lemony flavour, and it will also lift it up. Lovely. We're just going to stir all of that in. Now what we need to do is to bring it across to here. So now that we've got our chutney over here, what I'm going to do is I've got a couple of little jars. I'm just going to spoon this into, and this will keep in your fridge for about 6 to 8 weeks. So yeah, that's how you make a tomato chutney. Unlike all the other recipes on the internet, there's no chili. The thyme and the lemon's going to make it really fresh and fragrant. It's going to be absolutely delicious for your cheese boards, or amazing as a tomato relish for your burgers. There isn't anything else like it. So guys, that is all we've got time for today. But thank you for watching. Do remember to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't yet. But in the meantime, take care and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye. So now they're all chopped up like that, all we need to do is wait for the tits, which are already here.